Assalamu alaikum. I am Zahid Farooq. Today we are going to discuss on very important appliance that would put health and safety risks to the users. The people who are new on my channel, subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest and updated videos. Because my mission is to spread health and safety knowledge at all level of the society so that people may got health and safer life and they should enjoy their health and safety commitment. The appliance which is under the consideration in my lecture is microwave oven. Many people know about microwave oven because it is very important appliance in these days in the kitchen items. What are the risks from microwave oven? The primary risk is when the liquid is microwaved, it boiled within a minute, and there are many reports that when people put out these liquids from the oven and orally intake, they receive severe burning in the tongue or in the mouth because they have no better health and safety instructions about the usage of microwave oven. But in these days, on the other side, people are usually mature and these incidents are minimized very much. The very risky thing is electromagnetic radiation, which is dissipated from the outer door in the voids which have no proper sealant from the upper and bottom side or right or left sides of the door. From exterior side, the person who is standing in front of door, he might receive the exposure of electromagnetic radiation. The consequences of microwave radiation would be in case of burning of the skin that is very close intact with the door, or otherwise if the exposure is in the long run the person is receiving, he might go in very severe and undue ill health effects that are irreversible in their nature. But this is a contrary thing because many scientists disagree with this risk issue because they say the microwave oven is safe, but the latest study tells us in the Russia the scientists banned the microwave oven implications and the government have acknowledged their request. I have taken this from the research papers from the Google search scholars. The other risk is that the magnetron which is used in the oven, that is the device which usually heat your food and different kind of liquids, that magnetron contain beryllium oxide and some other hazardous substance. These substances deteriorate with the passage of time and put their explosion inside the oven If person is repeatedly exposed in this environment, the beryllium oxide would be inhaled, and the consequences would be very dangerous, because the beryllium has very bad impact on human health. Otherwise, the microwave oven is safe in its nature if it is used for a short interval of time. Here it is very important thing to tell you that the electromagnetic radiation which are used for mobile phones similarly used in the microwave oven. The difference is that their power. So what does microwave oven do when we cook in the microwave oven of any kind of food or liquid? We know the microwave that are electromagnetic in their nature usually travels in sine form from up and down, and then down to up. This consequently moves the molecules very fast, and the kinetic energy is produced in the food or liquid, and your food or liquid get hot. But the biologists and nutritionists at their part disagree, because the usage of microwave oven is safe. Their arguments are very contrary among those who say that the microwave oven is safe in its usage. The microwave oven, the biologist says that the molecules in the food, when they are heated in the microwave oven, usually misalign in their patterns, and when the food is cold at room temperature, their homogeneity is disturbed, and this disturbance would cause ill health effects in the human system. So these things are very important to share with you. If you are new my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you may got latest and updated videos. Thank you so much.